You can grow an email list of 10,000 people and still make zero sales. Why? Because you attracted the wrong people. I'm about to show you a smarter way, one that pulls in leads who are already on the path to buy. And it starts by asking one question that almost no one thinks to ask. I'll show you that question and what to do with the answer. Let's get into it. The biggest mistake I see, people create lead magnets like party favors. Here, download this checklist, our free 27-page ebook, as if pixels make purchases. But the real job of a lead magnet, it's to attract people who are already marching toward your offer. Your magnet just needs to be the brick they step on, not a random prize they grab and forget. Now, here's the twist. Most people design lead magnets by guessing what sounds helpful, or worse, by copying what someone else did. I flip that around. I start by mapping the actual customer journey, but I don't do it manually. I team up with AI to do the heavy lifting. And this right here is the strategy you came for. Pull out your phone, open your AI tool, whether it's ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, you name it, and feed it your audience research. Then ask this. What are the 3 stages someone goes through before they're ready to buy? Insert your offer. And what pain are they trying to solve at each stage? Now pause, because this is where it gets wild. AI will spot patterns you never noticed. It'll show you that your audience isn't wandering aimlessly, they're climbing a staircase. And your lead magnet needs to meet them on the first step while teasing the next. Let me show you what this looked like for one of my students, Lisa. Lisa had a mentorship program helping women launch their first online business. Her assumption? People wanted help with branding and website stuff. Wrong. Her AI analysis showed something different. 3 stages. Stage 1, total confusion. I want to work for myself, but don't know what kind of business to start. Stage 2, direction seeking. I think I know my idea, but now I'm overwhelmed. Stage 3, ready to launch. Help me build and promote my offer. So I told her your lead magnet needs to meet them at stage 1. But point a flashlight to stage 2 and hint at stage 3. What did she create? A 5-day business clarity challenge. Day by day, she helped participants sort through their experience, passions, and skills to find their business idea. But here's the hidden genius. The challenge finished with a cliffhanger. Her final email said, "You've nailed your business idea. You've even started outlining your offer. Ready to actually launch this thing? Tomorrow, I'm opening the doors to my full mentorship program." And you know what happened? 18% of her challenge participants converted into $2,000 clients. No hype, no big sales pitch, just trust, timing, and a journey that felt like a natural next step. Now, why did that work? Because her lead magnet didn't just solve a problem, it solved the first layer of a problem that only her paid offer could fully finish. Read that again. If your lead magnet gives everything away, people feel done. They don't need more, or so they think. If it gives too little, they're annoyed. But if it gives the right-sized win plus a clear next step, they lean forward. They expect the offer. Now you're not intruding, you're inviting. Let's break this down into a formula you can steal today. Step 1, use AI to map your customer's journey. Don't assume, ask. Step 2, extract the first stage pain. Make that your lead magnet's focus. Step 3, solve that issue. But hint at the next phase. Let curiosity do the work. If you ignore this, you'll grow a list of people who treat you like Netflix, nice content, no commitment. But follow this, and your leads will feel like they're following a path they never want to leave. Here's another reason this works. When your lead magnet syncs with what someone is already searching for, internally, they don't just sign up, they feel seen. And in the world of digital marketing, being seen equals being trusted. Still skeptical? Look at companies like HubSpot. When their lead magnets match the buyer's journey, not just need freebies, they see 42% of downloads convert into marketing qualified leads. Translation, people who actually want to buy. Or take what happened with a guy in my group named Jared. Jared ran a productivity coaching business. Previously, his lead magnet was a time management template. It got downloads, but no clients. He reworked it using this same 3-stage journey model. Stage 1, I feel scattered all day. Stage 2, I've tried planners, but it breaks down after a week. And stage 3, well, I want a sustainable focus routine that lasts. So he created a 3-day focus challenge. It helped people prove they could stay focused and consistent just for 3 days. At the end, he said, if you did this, imagine what 30 days would do. That's exactly what I teach inside my Focus Sprint Bootcamp. And that offer, it's sold out. You see the pattern? Strategic lead magnets aren't about downloads. They're designed as invitations to the next chapter of a story your buyer already wants to live. Here's your homework. Go into your AI tool. Run that one simple prompt. What are the 3 stages someone goes through before buying insert your offer? And what problem do they want solved at each? Then look at stage 1, build your lead magnet there, and make sure it ends in a place that naturally points to stage 2, which you'll solve in your paid offer. If your lead magnet just helps, it gets ignored. But if your lead magnet gives someone momentum, clarity, and a glimpse of the road ahead, they don't wait for your offer, they ask for it. That's the power of this one pivot. And it gets even better because once you nail this, you can rinse and repeat. Funnel after funnel becomes predictable. No more guessing, no more freebie hunters, just people with intent, walking a path you designed. So if you want more strategies like this, real world, AI powered, proven, then don't miss what I've laid out inside my book. It's called AI List Launch. And I packed it full of every tactic I use to grow buyer ready email lists that convert. Whether you're starting from scratch or tired of leads that go nowhere, this book gives you the roadmap. Start building a list that builds your business. Click the link in the description to grab your copy of AI List Launch. And hey, if you want more videos like this one, hit that subscribe button now.